Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the essentials. Install the Noise Companion app and set up ADB on your PC, because direct transfer is faster and more reliable. Once done, pick or export an MP4 or optimized GIF at 320 x 320 or 240 x 240 that matches the watch display. Make sure the clip is short, 5 to 15 seconds, and under 2 MB to prevent playback stutter. This reduces load and conserves battery, so the watch runs smoothly. Next, you convert and optimize the asset so the watch can play it. Use FFmpeg to scale to the exact resolution, set 30 FPS, and add a loop. This ensures smooth motion. If you have a GIF, convert it to MP4H, 264, and use a medium CRF like 28 to balance quality and file size. Then preview on your phone with the Noise app or push the file via ADB to the watch for a direct test, because seeing it live reveals sync and color issues early. Finally, you deploy the wallpaper and verify it runs correctly. Push the final MP4 to /SD card /watch faces or import it through the Noise app, then apply it as the live wallpaper. If the animation stutters or won't play, reboot the watch, then retest. Make sure to lower resolution, reduce CRF, or shorten the loop if problems persist. These changes cut CPU and memory use. And if the watch still rejects the file, re-encode using a stricter profile to ensure compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.